trusted were listening, and now he's gone. We knew something was going to happen, but not when or what. Keeping you in the dark was my call, not Bain's. Never thought they would actually be able to go after him. Look, I realize it's a kackspooter here, but you got out with the guns I left, yeah?
Why don't we play with our little squeaky toy here while we wait? Okay, Donut Boy, I'm gonna take this off and you're gonna talk. Yeesh. Who set us up?
Man, I just follow orders. I don't know nothing.
Now why don't I believe you? Maybe I should just plug this guy.
It's the long arm of the law.
Bloody Twinkies found you already. Mr. Blunt, take that bookie in the back, and the gang will take care of the other kiddos.
I'll take this guy to the back while you see the
Got it! Let's do this thing!
Cover the doors. Coppers are there.
Shit! Got it! Okay.
Friends, I'm still trying to sort this. Hang in there. Gone before the hurricane, yeah? Can't believe they managed to pull it off. Never really thought Bain could be that vulnerable. I wonder what happened to Mr. Pink. Somebody help Zero.
Got the medic!
Where the fuck are you guys? How the hell did they know we were coming? I'm coming to the warehouse.
Tuesday! Shield down!
Fucking piece of shit car! Need a hand out here, guys!
Shield
Oh, the goddamn fuck is taking so long! I'm bleeding here! Okay, friends, hurry out and rescue Mr. Pink, right? Somebody help Dallas! You missed bad call! Oh, it's taking so long, goddammit! Right, friends, better go out and get Mr. Pink, yeah? Zero is down.
身体に手錠や
やばい
Get your thumb out of your asses and come and get me! Sounds like he's not too far away, yeah? Go get him.
気ぃつけレーザーや
Hurry up, goddammit! Okay, friends, hurry out and rescue Mr. Pink, right?
誰か問題来てや
Somebody help Zero.
You look absolutely horrible.
Got to think about more than yourself, friends. No more close calls. We're not done yet, friends. Back on your feet. Come on, man. Either get me or
took so long, man? Goddamn cops knew we were gonna be there. Too many of them for a simple diamond job. Civvies, too.
急げ急げすごい
This payday gang camo run. You sure this isn't their mess?
My gut says it. So guys, you might be wondering what happened to our loot. Well, I had to ditch the car, but I managed to hide some into a storage unit nearby. It's way out there behind the parking lot. The door of the unit's pretty thick, and I don't have a key. We'll need to cut it open. There should be a saw around here somewhere.
Might be good to at least get some extra funding out of this. So go find that saw, yeah? Good. Now go get those stones, guys.
いただきました
The bag of diamonds is in one of those storage units.
ちょっと待ってて
You need to find the right storage unit.
ボケが手上げボケなやつがしてんかい走れあい下についてこくかい時間ないファッユースモーク煙や安全な場所であいつを迎え撃てワキワキ
Not a lot of time here, friends. Get that unit open. Now you can hold a gun again. Zero is down.
Okay, Sentinel.
Come on, friends. Saw those units open.
Big! 来い行くぜ
Zero
シドニー行くで。ドクターバンディア。
Hurry, friends. Get that storage unit open.
Found one!
There you go. Better get those stones to Mr. Blonde. His boss will be able to move them.
Got it.
Show those donkeys. Get those stones to Mr. Blonde. Zero is down.
Take it out!
This Mr. Blonde doesn't appear too keen on getting those stones himself.
The boss just called and he's pissed. Got a guy coming to get us, but you should probably pay him. I'll make sure you get your gun.
誰かドクターバンディア。
Best of luck with your boss and all, guys.
Right, friends. Looks like you're not welcome there any longer. Twitch is inbound. He'll be there soon.
Got it.
I'll be there in 1 minute. Hope you're ready.
痛すぎる。
Twitch is coming to the side alley. Help Zero. Derek, 30 seconds. Zero is down. Walk away. None is down.
もう大丈夫や。打ち上がってったんだよ。
Coming plate. Move, move. どこに help Della.
ついたのかい。あれはできるやろ。ほい、ついてこんかい。Got it. Back it up,